Hi everyone, so I wanted to give you that video tutorial that I said in class I would provide for you today. I am going to use Pixlr instead of Photoshop. I'm running into some technical difficulties, so I'll be researching those throughout the next couple of days and throughout the next week before we have class next. And so hopefully I can put out another video where I explain some things in Photoshop. But anyway, we can use Pixlr and remove background, and that'll work great as well. So in remove background, like I said, we'll open up the image. You'll find your portrait, open it up, and it removes the background. Okay. So you can use the paintbrush tool to create your background color. It can be whatever color you would like, or multiple colors. Have fun and be creative with it. We will then copy the image and paste. You can use Control C and Control V. Then you can move the image around. It's up to you on how big or small you would like your portraits to be. But for this next week, I just would like you to add in the portrait and then add in some some images that would go along with the portrait that you chose. Okay, so showing me that you can use the remove background website and Pixlr, and you can move these objects around. Remember going into, let's see here, I believe it's layer, send backward, and then you can send it backwards. That way you can play with how the objects are layered. That's part of the collaging and compositional process in terms of creating a positive composition. So just moving these images, or the background to these images, and then putting them in the composition is what I would like to see throughout this next week. Oops. I don't mean to hit download. Just want to show you what I'm looking for this next week. There we go. Okay, so you can practice moving the images around, maybe thinking of a story to tell for your person, interests, things like that. Okay, so I hope this was helpful. This is where we will be at for next week. And then as always, please reach out with any questions. Thanks, everyone.